Hello and welcome to Replicate My Space, the Christmas edition. My name is Bree and welcome to Modern Living with Bree. Juani, our host, and my great friend and sister challenge us to create a space, decor item, or DIY using a holiday photo from Pinterest, magazine, or a YouTube creator. Using that holiday photo for inspiration, we are to create and replicate in our own style that decor space or item and share with you, our viewers, for inspiration and ideas for this season. So stay tuned for some great holiday styling for some talented creators. Don't forget to click the playlist in the description box below and visit all the wonderful ideas. Tell them Bree sent you. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that button and notification bell twice so you'll be notified when we upload videos. You will not be disappointed. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay everyone, we are going to start with our tree topper with this beautiful ribbon pick. I am installing them on top of the tree and we want them nice and full and gorgeously spiral. So many of you see me use these ribbon picks last year and ask me how I make them. So here I will share with you guys how I did that. Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you how I make my ribbon picks. What you need is a glue gun, some ribbon. I have a velvet ribbon, a one-face ribbon. That means that the decorative is on one side and satin is on the other side. And this is 1.5 inches and it's wired. You need scissors and you need some florist pick. You can get these at any craft store, Michael's, or you order from Amazon. This is about 1 foot long. Okay, so we are going to get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our ribbon. I've already cut the ribbon. I got about a 2.5 feet long ribbon here. You can make it however long you want your pick, so however short you want your pick. And we're going to start with our ribbon and we're going to fishtail our ribbon. So we're going to place both ends together. And we're going to fold away from us. That means that the fold is toward me and the ends is on the outside. So we're going to fold like this. And then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut away from us. So however big you want your fishtail, it can be this short. Depends on where your scissors are cutting. So I want mine like a medium. So I'm going to go right here in the center of my finger and the end of the ribbon, and we're going to open it up and we have a beautiful fishtail. Okay, so we did that. Now what we're going to do is take our stick, our florist stick here, and we're going to go to the flat end because this end is pointy. Now they do have the floral sticks which are really rods that's just flat on each end. What you want is the pointed end. I guess it really doesn't matter, but the pointed end to make it the insertion better to me when you want to insert it into a wreath, a tree, or what have you. And you're going to glue the flat end about as wide as the strip. Okay, so you just glue it on here, not too much, you know, but enough to cover. Like that. So now you're going to take your ribbon. I'm going to stagger this, and what I mean by stagger is I'm going to have one end shorter than the other, and I'm going to fold it. Then I'm going to open it up, and while the decorative side is facing you, you're going to place your stick inside the ribbon, and then you're going to close it. Now you're going to glue the side that is decorate. You're going to glue the side that is decorated. That means that since I have velvet ribbon, I'm gluing onto the velvet side. And then we're going to let this dry. We open it up. And as you can see, you can still see the stick part. So now you're going to place some glue on each side of the ribbon. Be careful because it is hot. And you're going to close it up. And what you're doing, you're creating a crease or a closure. And there's our closure. We can fold it, make it neat. Now you want to do that as neat as possible because you don't want any glue to get on your ribbon that you can see. So as you can see here, this is our closure. It's closed very nicely. When you open it up, it looks a beautiful crease there, beautiful seam, and you can't see the stick. Then basically what you do, if you have a rod, whatever size that you want to use to curl your ribbon, you can use an empty toilet paper roll, or you can use your fingers. I normally use my fingers. I do 2 fingers, and I curl the ribbon downward. That means that your finger is going down the stick like that, and you wrap it around. You can do it loosely or you can do it tightly depending on how tight you want your curl. And that's one side. And then you do the same thing on the opposite side. Like that. So now you have your ribbon pick. If you want it looser, you just pull on the end to make it loose. And if you want to keep it tighter, it's up to you. You can just keep it tight like that. But that's the ribbon pick. It is a beautiful way to decorate your Christmas tree, your wreath, your garland, what have you. So I hope you guys thought this was inspirational and a great idea that you could use on your Christmas holiday decorating.
Christmas lights are all around.
So here are the black strands icicles. There's about 3,000 strands per pack. I purchased these from Amazon. They were $10.99. $50 for 5 packs of these, and I think it should be enough to get the look that I want. As you can see on the table, I have groupings here of black strands icicles, and I'm taking one group and I'm going to hang them on the limb of the tree. Now, there's limbs on the tree that sticks out a little further than the tree itself. Those are the limbs that I will be using for the icicles in my design. And so it's going to take a little while for me to do. I'm going to show you, like I said, an example, and then I am going to come back and let you see what it looks like. So we're going to take these 3 icicles here and we're going to join them together with this one. I take some from one and I push the icicles toward the edge of the limb and I place it on the other so they can kind of touch like, and then I take some from one and put it down here. So I'm thinking I need another icicle probably on this area right here, and put an icicle in here so it can come together. So it starts here, and then it's these 2 here, and it goes all the way down the tree with these, and then it falls to there. And then we have some empty space here and there, and as you go up, you have another grouping of icicles here, and another grouping there. So here comes the fun part, guys. This is what's going to give us that beautiful clumped icicle look that you find on the limb on my inspirational photos. So basically we have this gorgeous crystal clear icicle, and I'm going to place them on the limbs that I placed the black icicles on. Now we're going to have 3 or 4 on one limb. We have 4, 5 on the other limb. We have 2. And this will give us that nice grouping of icicles that you find on the tree when it snows and the water drips and freezes. That's what gives us that beautiful look, just like the inspiration photo.
I can see them now.
Well, that'll do it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the collaboration and got some ideas and some inspiration for your holiday decorating. Don't forget to check out the other participants in the description box below. There is a playlist. Thank you, sis, for the invitation. I really enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Smooches!